This is Hunter from Unstoppable Airsoft, and we got an unboxing video. I just got it today. Just got home from school, and I want to make this video very quick. Very quick, and I'm recording this on my phone, so it's going to be pretty bad. I'm just going to do the unboxing right now, so here we go. I don't know if you can see that, but Blosh is oh god. Just, there you go. Alright, so let's get this party started. Go towards where we are, so open that. Good old trusty knife. Been in the family for ages. Just kidding, that's not really true, but whatever. So one side of it, another side of it. Open. Let's get towards this way. I already know what I got, so I'm not gonna put it in the description. Alrighty, so we are going to get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into this. Here's just some stuff. Oh, 1 second. Nope. Okay. So the first thing I got is some goggles. Pretty nice goggles. I'm gonna try those out in a second. They're Lancer Tactical, which I like. I got a new patch, a Lancer Tactical patch, and I got an AK-47 high pack magazine. I got some these and some more. And the real thing that I wanted to get out. Oh, this is going to be nice. 1 second. One second. Alright, let me just get this out real quick. Okay, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is. Oh, baby, this is going to be sick. It is a sick. Oh, this is so sweet. It's a tactical vest. I will put the more details in the description. It's just a mini unboxing for you guys. I'm going to show you guys the back. You can strap on maybe a backpack or something like that. See, the straps are right there. And you can put maybe my name right there. And it's really all around a sick thing. So let's just do an overview of what we got. We got nice goggles, a good patch. This is a high back magazine, BBs, and good old baby tactical vest. This thing is only 40 bucks. I want to show you how it's going to do, but it looks sick right now. I'm really looking forward to playing with it. High cap magazine. I'm just going to take this out right now, see if it fits on the AK. Give me a second. And take this out. Yep, looks like the one exactly that I got for the AK. And it is good. So we got this awesome high pack magazine. Some good old BBs. I'm going to take these out real quick, see how it is. See if this fits on me. Sure, okay, just take it out. Alright, okay. So it's got a nice, I see what we're going to do here. It's got a nice sock and everything. So, yeah, that's all for today, and we'll see you guys in the next video.